What's happening, folks? This is just a quick video just to explain who I am, what I do, and why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. Before I do, I'd really appreciate if you'd hit the like button. This helps me grow the channel. A small channel like mine relies quite heavily on likes and comments for YouTube to push this video out to other people, and let's face it, I could do with the help. So, my name is Robbie Corbett, 26 years old, and I'm from Scotland. I live just outside of Edinburgh, and I'm a business manager at a packaging company. Over the past year or so, I've started to get into investing in stocks and shares, index funds and property. So the main reason I created this channel was to document my journey in property and business in general. In my previous video, you will have seen that I completed my first renovation project. I finished that project at the tail end of last year, the sale completed at the beginning of this year, and I'm looking to reinvest that money into some more projects this year. The reason that I started this channel was I don't believe that schools teach enough about money. I don't think they teach enough about how to make money, what to do if you've made money, where to put the money, how money works, interest rates, mortgages. They don't teach you about anything like that, and it's, let's be serious, it's pretty important. So I figured if I'm going to be investing anyway, I might as well film it, put it on YouTube and document it all. Worst case scenario, I can look back on it myself. Or on the other side of the coin, someone might learn something. One person could learn something, and if that's the case, I'm happy. Don't get me wrong, I'm not proclaiming to be a financial advisor or a big shot businessman or anything like that. But what I do know is, when I was a teenager, I always wished that there was more information out there on how people done things. How did they make their money? If I seen someone in a nice car, I would always wonder, how do they have the nice car? How can I get the nice car? But that information was hard to find. So if my videos can provide a small piece of information to a young person that's looking to learn, then brilliant, I'm very happy. I plan on using this channel to document investing in property, renovating property, renting out property, owning property, how much money does it cost to do all this, all the nitty-gritty stuff that people might want to know but are too scared to ask. Money's a bit of a taboo subject, and I don't think it should be. I think that people should be able to talk about it openly if they choose to, without coming across like they're bragging or showing off.
I have an unhealthy obsession with spending money, but I have a healthy obsession with making it.
So I intend to show the full process from start to finish, what the costs were, what improvements could have been made, what the mistakes were so someone else might not make the same mistakes, and everything else in between. I'll also be discussing personal finance. It's a big interest of mine. I'm very interested in business, personal finance, and how money works, and hopefully I'll be able to help you and many others grow your wealth. Wow, that made me sound like one of those Ty Lopez, I'll make you rich type of people.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Not the case. Now let me emphasise this. I am not a financial advisor. I just have an interest in personal finance, business, and I think the information I can provide could help other people. I'm not telling you to buy this, sell that, or do anything else in between. But I will say what I'm doing, which I think is still helpful. But if you like the things that I'm doing and you think the information is good, do your own research and make your own decisions. There's no point in taking all this information from someone on the internet and just copying what they do. Take the information from me and other creators, add it all together, do your own research, make your own decisions, and you'll probably come away a better business person with a bit more financial knowledge.
You know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
With that being said, I'll keep this introduction nice and short. If there's anything you would like to see me talk about in my videos, comment below. Let me know if there's any improvements you think I could make to the channel, what direction you think the channel should go in. I'd love to hear everyone's feedback. All creative criticism is welcome. And if you want to see more business related content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be putting out new videos every Friday. Take it easy, people.